It's Marcy. I just want to walk you through how to use the Bookly plugin from the staff side. If you're doing swim lessons, go to regalswim.com/wp-login.php. If you're doing tutoring, it's theregaltutors.com/wp-login.php. And then you want to click on login with username and password. Go ahead and type your username or just your email address, and then your password. If you forget it, you can email or text me and I'll send it to you. Click login. Once you log in, you should see something like this, and you go ahead and click Bookly, and you can click profile. If you want, you can enter in an image and fill out all this information, but I already did services for you. The main thing I want you to do is schedule and days off. So let's do schedule. So you can see, like, if you want to take Sunday off, you just click Sundays off. Monday, you can choose Mondays off, or if you're going to start work, you could start work, let's say, at 8 p.m. on Mondays usually, and then maybe you want to usually end Mondays at 6 p.m. If you want, you can add a gap like in the middle of the day for a break, but you probably won't need to do that. Anyway, so you just click out all the days. So like here, like there's Saturday, that would be to take Saturday off. And then you need to click save. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click days off. Right now, this shows all days available except for like Sunday was off because in the schedule it said off and Saturday was off. But all the other days are available. So if you want to block out days, like let's say you're going to go on vacation on May 1st. Yep, we're not currently working that day. Okay, that's blocked off. You're going to go on vacation this whole week, so you just go like this and you just block off the days, all the days that you don't want to work. And once you get that done, then that's it. Now you've updated your schedule. If you have any questions about how to update your schedule, please give me a call and I'll walk you through the necessary steps. My number is 661-304-4491.